Bigla silang nakaisip ng ideya kasi napanood nila yung live ko sa PIDEA. Nung binan nila yung kantang Amats dahil sa tema, pero Maria Hiwaga ni Sasa, walang problema.
Ay, so gusto ko lamang mag-react dito sa kantang to ni Sir Looney na may mention sa kanta kong Maria Hiwaga. And Sir Looney, naiintindihan ko po kayo. I get it. Naiintindihan ko po yung frustration ninyo at ang gusto nyo pong sabihin dito sa kantang to. Na bakit nga naman pagbabawalan yung kantang Amats? Ba't isi-censor yung kantang Amats? Eh samantalang, form to ng art. Form to ng music. And for a fact, ang art naman ay dapat malaya. Ang sining ay dapat malaya. So nagigets ko yung frustration na bakit isi-censor. Eh samantalang, nagra-rap lang naman kami, nag-express lang naman kami, kumakanta lang kami. Sino kayo para i-censor yung art namin? At nagigets ko yun. Kasi trans ako. At for the longest time, ang daming pinagbawal sa amin. Bawal kami ikasal, and that's a form of censorship to our community. So, nagigets ko po kung bakit kayo frustrated. Ang hindi ko po nagigets is bakit misdirected sa akin yung frustration. Na bakit yung kanya pinagbawalan, yung akin hindi. To you, it's a frustration. To me, it's a victory. Na for the longest time, I get to do something for the first time sa space na sinabi sa akin na, that's not for you, girl. All the respect to Sir Looney and what you do, but I just want you to know na I've been here. And matagal na naming related to for the longest time. So I won't let a man take a success of a woman like me. And ang pinaka-point ko dito is why not us artists, as a community, i-direct natin yung energy and frustration towards sa sistema mapang-api sa sining natin. Yun lang po, and thank you, and Merry Christmas everyone.